Navigating the tricky waters of tax planning can be confusing for just about anyone. And in the world of corporate tax, it gets even more complex. What incentives apply to my business? Has the tax code changed? Is new legislation working for or against me? These questions just scratch the surface of what business owners want to know. But with an increasingly competitive worldwide marketplace and ailing economy, an unfortunate fact is that many of them aren't even aware these incentives exist.
I think a lot of it is because there's so much information that they got to go through, and they're really on information overload. So it's really about having someone that could break down all that information and see how could it really be used for them. And instead of the company paying money for tax to the government, they can instead use those resources for developing new products or coming up with something innovative that makes them much more competitive in the future.
Tax codes and incentives vary from state to state. Couple that with intricate federal tax laws, and it means a lot of information is easily overlooked. Take, for instance, incentives that affect businesses located in New York City metro area. Legislation was recently passed giving tax credits to New Jersey-based companies who continue to operate within the state. This incentive is so new, only the most astute accounting professionals know about it, which is why select firms are creating divisions focused solely on tax laws that pertain to their state.
I get state tax news each and every day. I try to read up and keep abreast of all information that comes through and report those changes back to our clients. What it means is that we can better educate them as to the potential costs of their doing business in multiple jurisdictions. We can also advise them of different benefits and credits that are available in those particular states.
On the federal side, there are two very important incentives that business owners may know about but aren't sure whether they qualify. One deals with a significant tax break for exporters, and the other focuses on energy efficiency in commercial buildings. Mike LaMotta explains.
There are several benefits that are available to business owners. IC Disc is one that's available to companies who export, and the big benefit with an IC Disc is a rate differential between ordinary income and capital gain rates. Well, we've used this strategy with many of our clients, and the tax savings has been substantial. The second benefit is what's called 179D deduction, which is for energy efficient costs incurred on commercial buildings. And it's designed to reduce energy over a period of time, and if it does, then you're entitled to an immediate write-off as opposed to a deduction through depreciation over a period of time.
A business owner is really looking for a trusted advisor. Someone that's really proactive, understands that their business is unique because each business is different, but also that they're acting as part of their team. Someone that they can count on regularly to be there for them.
Due to the challenging economic climate and increased global competition, businesses need to partner with an accounting firm that actively looks for every possible competitive advantage for their clients. Wyss & Company is breaking the mold of the traditional accounting firm business model. Here, each Wyss team member is a trusted advisor working to identify the specific needs of the client beyond traditional accounting and auditing, the type of relationship that creates an understanding of clients' business goals and provides them with the competitive edge they need to succeed. It starts with significant partner interaction and a consistent, high-level client service experience. The foundation of these relationships is a thorough understanding of our client's financial situation, future business goals and strategies, backed by solid industry and technical knowledge. This perspective allows Wyss to offer proactive advice, new ideas, innovative problem solving, and strategic thinking so that clients can achieve and maintain their desired goals.
There are plenty of good accountants out there that are technical and competent, but what differentiates us is that we listen to our clients, we understand their needs, and we are proactive in the service that we provide. Our firm has been around since 1969, and we have a lot of the same clients today that we had back then, and that is because of our model that we use to service them.
Wyss is committed to provide connectivity to our clients, connections to business contacts, connections to solutions, and most importantly, connections to opportunities for business growth and success.
We have a very large client that operates in about 15 states. They were advised by a firm to operate in a certain way, and we looked into their activities and determined that this was not advisable in New Jersey. We assisted them in making this adjustment to their New Jersey tax status, and we saved them $6 million over 2 years. They're very appreciative of all the money that we saved them, and it identifies us as a valued advisor. We're able to identify things that maybe their other bigger firm could not identify.
WIS provides more than just tax services. These tools help to strengthen a genuine connection with each client, expertly guiding them through the ups and downs of business and working towards the common goal of big financial savings.
Our mission is to improve the lives of our people and of our clients. And we do this by creating a culture where we really are a team, where we look to help one another, and in turn, if we're always looking to help one another, we can find the best way to service our client. We get such a great deal of satisfaction when we can go and deliver that high level of service.
WIS & Company, a proven track record of client success through genuine connectivity. For more information, visit us online.